Rajya Sabha MP SANAJAOBA drew the attention of Rajya Sabha to provide special rehabilitation package for internally displaced persons so that they can return to their homes and have a fresh start. MP SANAJAOBA raised the matter during the discussion for Manipur Budget 2025-26 in Rajya Sabha yesterday. In his speech, MP SANAJAOBA said about 55,658 people from over 10,000 families are sheltered at 262 relief camps for over 2 years. They are living in precarious conditions, and if they are to be rehabilitated and resettled at their homes, they have to start from zero, as all their houses and properties have been taken away during the conflict. Speaking further, the MP also stressed on the need to restore free movement for Meitei community along Imphal-Dimapur National Highway 2 and Imphal-Jiribam National Highway 37. While raising the issue of illegal immigrants, MP SANAJAOBA also demanded for deployment of neutral and dutiful central forces like BSF along 398-kilometer long Indo-Myanmar border to check influx of illegal immigrants. While urging for installation of a popular government as soon as the law and order situation improves in the state, MP SANAJAOBA also expressed confidence that the budget allocated for Manipur will help in revival of state's economy.
The two national highways of Manipur, namely National Highway 2, Imphal-Dimapur, and the National Highway 37, Imphal-Jiribam, are still not allowed to move freely for the Meitei community due to strict prohibition by Sin Kuki groups residing in the hills for the last 2 years or more. So the national highways should be allowed free movements for Meitei community as soon as possible. The internally displaced person IDPs numbering around 55,658 from over 10,000 families and taking shelter in 262 relief camps are yet to return to their respective homes even after completion of 2 years. They are still facing a very unsettled life, so they should be allowed to return to their respective homes by availing special rehabilitation packages because they are about to start their lives from zero. In a democratic countries, people want to have a popular government. So my humble appeal is that a popular government should be reinstalled in Manipur as and when law and order situation in the state is completely improved. By doing so, the PR, the president's rules in the state will be more meaningful and appreciated.